Kent meningitis outbreak shows signs of slowing. The recent meningitis outbreak in Kent, England, appears to be subsiding, with just 2 new confirmed or probable cases reported on Friday. While the immediate crisis may be easing, the situation remains serious, and officials are working to understand why this particular strain of meningitis be spread so rapidly. Current status and vaccination efforts. As of Thursday afternoon, a total of 29 cases have been linked to the outbreak, 18 confirmed and 11 probable. All individuals affected required hospitalization. To contain the spread, authorities have administered 2,360 vaccinations and distributed 9,840 doses of antibiotics. The outbreak is unusual because the typical rate of new cases is only 1 per day. This spike prompted the UK Health Security Agency, UKHSA, to investigate whether the meningitis B bacteria had become more transmissible. Initial genetic analysis indicates that the Bexsero vaccine currently in use should provide protection against this strain. However, detailed analysis is still underway to determine if any changes in the bacteria contributed to the outbreak's rapid spread. Understanding the strain, the meningitis strain belongs to a group of bacteria called Group B meningococcus, specifically sequence type 485, part of clonal complex SD4144. This strain has circulated in the UK for about 5 years, but experts are conducting genome sequencing to understand why this outbreak occurred. The genome of this bacteria is significantly larger than that of COVID-19, making the analysis complex and time-consuming. We'll be mindful both of the possibility of this particular strain re-emerging in the future, but also general principles that we'll learn about the bacteria. Prof. Robin May, UKHSA Chief Scientific Officer, Human Cost and Future Prevention. The outbreak has already had tragic consequences. Juliet Kenny, a teenager, died on March 14th after developing symptoms within 24 hours. Her father, Michael Kenny, is now advocating for routine meningitis B vaccination for teenagers and young adults. The outbreak raises critical questions about disease surveillance and vaccination policies. While the current vaccine appears effective, the rapid spread of the strain suggests potential gaps in public health preparedness. Experts emphasize the need to understand the factors that contributed to this outbreak to prevent similar events in the future. Outlook and expert assessments. Experts believe the outbreak's peak has likely passed, given the 10-day incubation period. However, secondary cases among individuals who did not attend the initial super-spreading event remain possible. The strain does not appear to have mutated into a more invasive form, but definitive confirmation requires full genome sequencing. The response from public health teams and widespread publicity may also contribute to the outbreak's decline. While the immediate threat is receding, vigilance and continued research are essential to prevent future outbreaks and protect public health. In conclusion, the Kent meningitis outbreak appears to be slowing, but the incident underscores the importance of rapid disease surveillance, vaccine effectiveness, and ongoing research into bacterial pathogens.